So I am doing my first ever full liquid cleanse. I've got here a bunch of different drinks, different probiotics, going to be mixing in some coffee, going to be mixing in smoothies, and do my first ever full liquid cleanse right before the holidays. Try it out and see what it's like. So I'll take you guys through my journey of my full liquid cleanse. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I'm KUDWA, and in this video I'm going to be taking you guys through my 2-day full liquid cleanse. I've thought about this many times about doing a cleanse, and actually used to run every morning to Clean Juice, which is a natural juice and smoothie shop in the mornings, and then I transitioned into going to the gym, and now I'm kind of going back into the walking outdoors, running outdoors period. So I was walking by Clean Juice the other day and I said, I've thought about doing a cleanse but have never done it. It's almost more of a mental commitment that I wasn't ready to make or didn't want to make. And I finally decided to just do it, bite the bullet, and do a cleanse. So I was at the store the other day getting some groceries, and I decided to just get 6 different juices and I'll just do it for one day. And then today I woke up and have a meeting to go to, so I'm gonna be out and about. And I decided I'm gonna incorporate some smoothies into the cleanse and then do it for 2 days. So starting today on a Saturday and then going to finish tomorrow, Sunday night. So first I'm gonna take you guys through my fridge and show you guys what is in my fridge, and then go through my pattern of what I'm gonna do through each of the days. Okay, so for my first ever full cleanse, I'm gonna be doing a bunch of different juices, probiotic juices, as well as my coffee in the morning. So this is my first ever full liquid cleanse. I'm gonna start the day with an immunity booster shot, also end the day with another immunity booster shot. I've got 4 different Dr. D's sparkling probiotic drinks that I'm gonna go throughout the day, 4 different flavors, and then also here, the sparkling probiotic and the strawberry acai coconut, as well as the lime mint coconut, and then my coffee in the morning. Headed out to my meeting now, but just gonna take this little immunity booster shot first. Just get the day started before my green smoothie. It's really good. All right guys, so we are here at Tropical Smoothie. I'm just gonna grab my green detox. For me, lunch is the biggest meal of the day. What I typically do is my coffee in the morning, a big meal at lunch out, because most of my meetings are during lunchtime, and then something small in the evenings. So I'm gonna actually make these smoothies my biggest meal, or my largest liquid for the day. Okay, so it's now 2:15 and I am about to make myself a little coffee. I am a little bit hungry, wishing I had food, just because I'm used to eating food all the time, and who doesn't love the taste of food? But I'm feeling a little tired right now. Went to a couple showings, checked out some houses, and they were okay, just a lot of work, but that doesn't bother me because I've already renovated this place, and so it's just a project I would have to take on. So it's a lot of brain work that I'm putting into it right now about what designs I would do, what changes I would make, all that jazz. So because I've been yawning like 6 times in the last 2 minutes, I'm making myself a coffee right now. Colombian one with oat yeah as my creamer, and I'll have that before I have a little probiotic drink in the afternoon. One funny coffee tip I have from a friend of mine is to put the creamer in before making the coffee, so that it gets kind of hot and warm, like a latte. So I finally finished my coffee 6 hours later. It's now 8:30. I'm about to run to the store. I've been decorating for my holiday Decorate With Me Christmas video. So that'll be coming out soon for you guys. But now, finishing on my liquid diet, what I have for the rest of the day here is some probiotic drinks. I'm gonna grab the berry lavender and have that now. So far today, all I've had was the coffee, the immunity booster shot, and the smoothie from Tropical Smoothie, the green detox. And so now I'll be having the berry lavender. So far I'm feeling pretty good. I'm not feeling too hungry. I'm not feeling, you know, deprived or anything like that. I guess it's maybe because I've been busy, and every time I'm busy, I don't really, I guess, get too hungry. So I'll probably have this and then maybe one more juice before bed, one of the larger sparkling probiotics. Good morning. Today is day 2 of my full liquid cleanse. I'm gonna be starting the morning today, of course, with that immunity booster shot. And then I'm gonna actually be walking over to Clean Juice. It's a mile there and then a mile back. And then getting my smoothie for the day, kind of like I did yesterday with a tropical smoothie. Today I'm just gonna be doing one from Clean Juice instead. I'm kind of having a late start, so I was up last night till about 2 o'clock in the morning doing my holiday bougie Christmas decorate with me video, and then also just working on the stuff for the channel. And then I woke up today about 8 and have been working on stuff for the channel literally ever since. Didn't even get out of bed until 10:30, and it's 10:51 right now. So I'm gonna grab my immunity booster shot, go for the 2-mile walk, get my smoothie for my lunch period, and then come back and have another sparkling probiotic drink later on in the afternoon. So yesterday, how I felt after doing the cleanse was, I felt pretty good just because I kind of kept busy all day. I had a couple showings to go to. I went to a lunch meeting and then also decorated the house. So I was very kind of go, 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 always working. And so I didn't really have a chance, I guess, to maybe sit around and bored eat or snack or feel hungry. When I get going, I don't really feel hungry often, and it kind of suppresses my appetite. So yesterday I felt really good. However, when it was around midnight, 2 o'clock in the morning, my stomach really started rumbling and I really started being hungry. But I know I didn't consume as much yesterday as I should have. So today I'm gonna try to kind of pick that up more so and, you know, keep my energy flowing, make sure I'm not depriving myself of the things that I do need. And if I actually enjoy it through today, I might even extend the cleanse to a 3rd day. We will see. Day 2, immunity booster. This one, got it from Publix. Let's see here. So good, I love these. So I am literally the worst water drinker on the face of this planet. So yesterday I only had half a glass and just remembered I should probably drink some. So I'm filling up my bottle now, gonna take it with me. No, I'm not gonna take it on my walk, but I'm gonna try to drink at least half of this bottle, maybe the full bottle, but we'll see. I'm the worst, but I've been adding this to my liquid diet, gonna try for 2 blender bottles full of water. That's my goal. I know it's not the best, but I'm doing the best I can. So I wanted to do a morning body check-in before going on my walk this morning. I really like how the juice cleanse is really making me more defined. I'm usually a lot more bloated, especially like with my diet. I'm not too particular. I'm mostly pescatarian, but I do enjoy carbs and pizzas. So I love that the cleanse just after 1 day alone is making me show more definition than I usually do. Hey guys, so I got my smoothie here. I got the double one is what I have. And in this is almond butter, almond milk, maple syrup, hemp protein, spinach, kale, and bananas. So far so good. I went with 24 ounces because that's what I had yesterday from Tropical Smoothie. And today, so far I'm feeling pretty good. I absolutely love this one. Okay, so it's now about 3 o'clock. So far today I've had my immunity booster shot as well as my smoothie around noon, and now it's 3 and I'm having a coffee. Basically, we're doing a little photo shoot for the channel, and as part of my prep, I'm gonna have a coffee in it, so I'm gonna add this to my liquid diet today, and then later on have a probiotic drink this evening. Okay, so as you guys saw, I made the coffee in the office during the shoot, but ended up having to leave it there and not finish it. So I made a new one when I got home to actually have the coffee, like I said, for my cleanse, which again is not enough food for, I mean, not food, but not enough liquid that I should be drinking for the cleanse. So what I'm gonna end up doing is having another one of these probiotic drinks before bed. But honestly, I have not been feeling like I have a desire, need to eat, or like I have this like yearning in my body. Like I haven't been that hungry. My stomach really hasn't been growling. I've been feeling good. I've been having energy. Honestly, I've been feeling really, really good during this whole cleanse. And it's actually a lot easier than I thought or expected, which I'm really liking about the whole experience. Okay, so let's see what I still have left in my fridge after the 2 days so far. It's almost a full 48 hours. Basically, I've got my water bottle, which is standard. I need to drink more of that. I am the worst at drinking water. I have a Dr. D's, 2 of these apple Dr. D's, and then 2 of these sparkling probiotic drinks, which I'll just do this one. The strawberry acai coconut. I'm gonna force myself to drink it. And then I have 4 left, so 5 left. So I'll probably end up doing a 3rd day, let's be honest. I'll do a 3rd day, and then once I finish these all tomorrow, which I have to do, no smoothie, no coffee, just these, and then I'm done. So 72-hour, 3-day, full liquid cleanse, and then we'll do a body update in the morning, tomorrow morning, and see how I feel. As I'm looking in the fridge right now, I definitely would love food now that I'm looking at it, but it's not that I absolutely need it, so just gonna finish the cleanse out, 3 full days, and then see how I feel fully. Okay, so I wanted to do a day 2 body cleanse update before I went to bed tonight, and this is a full 48 hours of full liquid cleanse, just juices, smoothies, coffee, things like that. So first of all, I feel better than I've ever felt in such a long time. I feel as if, first of all, my body looks better than it ever has. My face looks good. I have more energy. I feel very excited. I feel like I got a lot of like toxins and bad things kind of like out of me. And honestly, I just like my self-esteem is better. I don't know, overall, I'm really happy with the effects of the cleanse. I feel like it's kind of helped me step into more of my own confidence, really liking the way I feel, liking that I feel healthy, liking that I feel light, just all around good. I feel like my mind is more cleansed. I feel more at peace. I feel just overall, like I said, like better, especially with like, you know, the way I look at my own self-confidence. I feel like it's definitely better. And that could just be a result of, you know, because I've gotten rid of all the bloating. I've gotten rid of all the carbs that I'm constantly eating over and over and over again. And instead giving myself and my body a chance to really like show what it truly looks like and is without eating all that junk food and garbage and pizzas and crap like that. So I'm overall extremely happy with this cleanse. I'm going to continue to do it for the 3rd day just because I do have a few of those juices left. So I want to finish everything that I had bought for this cleanse and then be done with it and do it once a month. So that's actually going to be my new thing that I do for myself, is do the cleanse once a month or once every other weekend, and just kind of make that into part of my just lifestyle going forward, is doing these cleanses regularly. So overall, I absolutely love it, you guys. I genuinely think this is something everyone should try. I'm sure other people's results will vary, but I am so freaking happy with the way I feel, with the way I feel mentally, emotionally, physically, just all around, every aspect of my life better. And I'm going to make this part of my new life going forward. So I definitely think you guys should try it. Good morning. Today is day 3 of my full liquid cleanse, and I am so tired. I really want a coffee right now, but I'm gonna end up going with one of these sparkling drinks because I have still 5 left. So I'm gonna go with grape. I'm extremely tired. I was up till 2:30 in the morning last night working on the channel for my 3rd night in a row. Up till 2:30, up at 8. So I am extremely tired. I've got probably baggy eyes, and if I need a coffee, I'm gonna grab one, but I'm gonna try to finish all these probiotic drinks and finish this cleanse out strong. Okay, so day 3 of the full liquid cleanse. Here's just a body update, just standing standard. Basically, I feel really good. I feel extremely thinned out, even compared to yesterday, but I feel great. I'm gonna finish up the 3rd day, but I am literally craving for food at this point. Craving for quiche this morning, craving for literally carbs, but not in a bad way, not too much, just I'm ready to have some quiche at my favorite coffee shop. So let's get this cleanse over with. 3 days. Okay, so day 3 of my full liquid cleanse. I'm here at the coffee shop for lunch and just decided to get myself a little latte. I really, really want my quiche, but I'm gonna get that tomorrow morning to celebrate. Hey guys, okay, so I'm on day 3. It's about 6 p.m. now. I'm staying at the office for a later evening, just finishing up with my liquid cleanse. So far today, I've just had my probiotic drink, the Dr. D's. I forgot all of them at home, so I never ended up bringing them to the office. And then I had a latte, and now I'm having a beer because I'm gonna have a long day here, putting together a budget for the renovation I'm trying to do on the new house I'm trying to buy. And then I ordered some soup, so I'm gonna have a coconut soup. It's just broth, and then finally tomorrow morning I'll go treat myself with some quiche at my favorite restaurant. Okay, so it is now 9:45. I just got home from the office. I had my soup, I had half of a beer and latte and my Dr. D's. So I have 4 drinks left, 4 different probiotics. I have 2 of the crisp apple Dr. D's, a hibiscus cooler, and a lime mint coconut. But I'm just gonna have one of the Dr. D's crisp apples and call it a day for my 3-day full liquid cleanse. I can't wait to have food tomorrow. Okay, so as a complete recap for my 3-day full liquid cleanse, I feel amazing as far as like my body goes, the shape of my body. I didn't really feel deprived very much. There were a few times where I wanted to eat food only because it was solely in front of my face and, you know, people offering me food. But when I wasn't looking at it, when I wasn't seeing it, there wasn't really a drive or need or desire to have it. So all in all, I felt really good. I feel great now. I am very exhausted though. I think that's just like me overworking myself. The last 3 nights, I've stayed up till 2:30 in the morning working on different projects that I'm working on, different things for my channel, different things at work, personal projects, the house. And then today it's 9:45. I just got done with work. So I'm finally just gonna go to bed and get back up for another busy day tomorrow. But other than that, being tired and busy, like I feel really, really good. So I would definitely recommend the juice cleanse to anyone or the liquid cleanse to anyone. Try it. Your body will feel really good. I think you'll be surprised at how good your body feels afterwards, as well as like the clarity of your mind and your energy. But if you guys try it, let me know what you think. Let me know how it worked for you. I would love to hear some feedback about how others felt and kind of compare it to myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you have an amazing day, and we'll see you very soon.